Small talk. Here are our do's and don'ts for making small talk when you travel overseas. Topics. Do. Talk about safe, comfortable topics such as the weather, hobbies, or work-study. These topics are easy for everybody to talk about. Think of follow-up questions to ask, such as weather. What's the weather like in your hometown at this time of year? Hobbies. How long have you been into football, photography, etc.? Work-study. What are you working on, studying at the moment? Don't. Talk about personal or uncomfortable topics, such as religion, politics, or money. These topics can make people uncomfortable because they are too personal, and people might have strong opinions about them. If you really want to ask a personal question, you should start with, "May I ask you a personal question?" Good luck on your business trips!